Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update the Savana app in 2026. Keeping your app up to date gives you access to the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. So let's get started. First, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Next, tap the search bar and search for *Savana*. Yeah, make sure you select the correct app from the search results. Now, if an *update** button appears, tap it to begin downloading and installing the latest version. If you only see an *open** button, you already have the newest version installed. Wait for the update to finish, then launch the app. You know, some updates may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and the size of the update. If the update doesn't appear, try refreshing the App Store, restarting your device, or checking your internet connection. You can also make sure your device is running a supported operating system. And that's it. You've successfully updated the Savana app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.